Let's take a look at the weather now. And Tom, there's been some incredible footage of yesterday's storm over Lismore.
Jeremy, a wet microburst caused winds to gust at nearly 130 kilometres per hour. Now, the force of the wind uprooted large trees and left thousands without power. A microburst occurs when large amounts of water droplets are suspended in a storm, but then suddenly plummet to the ground. This drags a powerful downdraft to the surface, causing gales to spread laterally in all directions. Yesterday's microburst generated wind speeds equivalent to a Category 2 tropical cyclone. The strongest microbursts can be deadly and have been known to generate winds over 200 kilometres per hour. And fueling storms is moisture from our surrounding oceans, which are warmer than normal off every coastline. Off the east coast, temperatures in the Tasman Sea are currently as much as 3 degrees above average. And this abnormal heat is more than just random variability. The warming rate due to climate change in the Tasman is more than twice the global average, up to 0.4 degrees per decade since the 1980s. And that's due to the East Australian current, which now extends further south. Cloud cover and onshore winds, though, brought a cooler day around Sydney. A high of 25 was average for the city, while a top of 24 in Richmond and 22 in Gosford were 5 below the average. Statewide minimums were cool in the south and warm in the north. It was a muggy 24 at Grafton, 6 above average. Maximums today were mostly below average due to the cloud cover, but a clear slot over the northwest slopes and plains lifted Tamworth to 35 and Moree to 38. On the satellite, well, a jet stream is carrying bands of high cloud east. They're being sourced from a tropical low that sits just off the Pilbara coastline. Now, on the chart tomorrow, a trough over our northeast will trigger further showers and severe thunderstorms, while a southerly change will move up the coastline behind this second trough in the Tasman. Around the country, showers and a possible storm in Brisbane, a hot and sunny day for Perth. For the northeast tomorrow, a high chance of showers and the risk of severe thunderstorms for the coast and ranges north of about Kempsey. Only the odd shower or storm further south, Newcastle 27. For the southeast, a medium chance of showers for the coast and eastern ranges. Sunny for the west, heading for 28 for Yass and Bathurst. To the west then, warm and mostly sunny, only the slight risk of a storm on the far northern slopes, heading for around 30 degrees across the south and the mid-30s across the north. On the waters, the winds will average 15 to 25 knots and the seas will average 1 to 2 metres. For Sydney then, back to sunshine tomorrow, although a southeasterly change to 25 kilometres per hour will arrive in the morning. Highs will still reach 26 in the city, 28 in Parramatta and 30 in Campbelltown. Now, cloud will build later and there's a slight risk of an evening shower. The sun will rise at 5:36, setting at 8 p.m. and ahead partly cloudy Wednesday, 26 to 30. Then warm and sunny Thursday and Friday, even up to 37 degrees in the west. That's ahead of possible showers arriving next weekend. Jeremy.
Tom, thank you. That is all from ABC News for now. Stay across the latest, both online and on the ABC News channel. Sarah Ferguson joins you next with 7:30.